Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error when attempting to run the System File Checker utility in a command line window, and it says that there is a system repair pending which requires reboot to complete, restart Windows, and run SFC again. So all you have to do is just close out of here, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and select where it says update and restart. So go ahead and make sure you select update and restart. Don't select restart. Select update and restart, and go ahead and just select that. Now that our system has restarted, open up the search menu, type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now type in SFC space / scan now. And now it should begin running successfully. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.